Okay, welcome everybody. This is the first time I've ever done an unboxing video. And this element scope here that you can see has been sent to me by Element Optics, and we're about to open it up for the first time. You can see what we have here. So once we open up, we have looks like Element's dust cover. This is a neoprene cover that comes with all the Element Nexus scopes, as far as I know. Okay, and that's held in place with this cardboard cutout. We don't need that. Okay, next we have what looks like owner's manual, and we have also the reticle that this scope comes in. You can see there I went for the APR 1D. This is the dirty reticle, as they call it. It has all the Christmas tree lines all set out. This one is in mil. The scope is 5 to 20 by 50 and it's in first focal plane. Okay, that's going to be handy. I'm going to take a picture of that and keep it on my phone for future reference. Okay, the owner's manual. Okay, you can read that if you want, but I'd say everything here should be fairly self-explanatory. Yeah, it just goes through how to mount your scope and what everything is for. Turret caps, removable turret caps, what's what, elevation and windage, knob, solid, so on, and an index. So we'll leave that to one side. And of course, what we all came to see is the Element. Oh, it's a good bit of weight to this. Nice weight. Comes wrapped in plastic. Of course, the scope itself, 5 to 20, the 50mm front objective. Yeah, the magnification ring is nice and tight. So this goes nice and smooth. The eyepiece, again, first impressions, seems nice and smooth. Okay, what do we have here? We have quality guarantee, and it was inspected by Nagashima in Japan before it left the factory. So that's handy. Let's get an idea of what weight this scope is. So in pounds, scope comes in at 1.36 pounds. We can change that to grams. Okay, so in grams, 0. It is 581 grams. Okay, so that's what we're dealing with there. So this bad boy is going to go onto my competition rifle, which I already have ready with rings on it, so it looks well there. It's not an overly immense scope, it's good size though. I think all I'll do is I'll remove this. Now, I'll use my nice John Reck custom made knife. Beautiful piece of work. Let's remove this tag. Put this back where she belongs. Yeah, and hang on to this tag in the box. Now, there she is. Okay, that's the scope in place there. I'm just going to put on these tier 1. See that there, tier 1 rings. Just hold it in place. Of course I have to set the eye relief yet, so I'm just going to put these on just so the scope doesn't fall off in case it moves. And we'll continue with the box. Okay, that's okay for a minute. Okay, what else is in the box? We've got I've already put in the battery into the illumination, so that's what the bag that came in. And we have here 2 Allen keys. I'm sure they're for setting the 0 stop. And we also have what looks like the throw lever and grub screw. Now, I'm going to be using that throw lever, and that goes in here. Goes right here on the magnification ring. So I'm just going to put that on there now and snug it down. That's good. So you can see that. It just gives you an extra bit of purchase there to throw over and back to the magnification. That's what's in there, at least to one side. Also, looks like a nice little carabiner, and what's that? Oh yeah, this is the lens cloth. The optics lens cloth. Nice touch. That will tuck back in there. I can leave it out there for a minute. Okay, so have another look. See what else is in here. That's it for there, and we have the sunshade. So I'm going to just put that up there now. Okay, nice long sunshade. And just screws onto the front of the scope controller. Okay, gives it an extra bit of length. I think that looks good. So that's the unboxing. I think that's everything that's in the box as it comes. Put the plastic back in there, and we will the box, which is a nice solid box, inside, and have a look at this neoprene cover. Okay, so, and nice charcoal kind of a grey, nice insignia. I don't think it'll fit on with the optic, with the sunshade on. Which means this will have to stay here, and we will put this on like so. Wrong way around. Ah yeah, that's more like it. Yeah. That looks good. Keeps your scope nice and protected while it's in transit. And it comes off nice and easy. Even though my scope isn't fully mounted yet. So that's that. Okay, so that has the unboxing completed. We have the scope on the rifle, as you can see there, and the next time you see it we'll be setting the eye relief, getting 0 sorted, and also getting to grips with the reticle. Hopefully with the weather the way it is, that won't be too long, but at this moment now it's currently belting down rain and wind, so that won't be today, but it'll be soon. See you again soon. Thank you.